If your routine fell apart over the last few weeks, you're not alone. If you've been trying to get back on track but everything feels heavier than it should, you're not alone. And if you're frustrated with yourself for losing momentum, you're definitely not alone. So today I want to show you how to reconnect with your routine after disruption, gently, realistically, and without shame. Because routines don't fall apart because you're undisciplined. They fall apart because your emotional rhythm gets interrupted. And when your rhythm changes, your habits change. So here's a simple way to rebuild your routine from the inside out. I call it the return ritual. Now here's step one. You start with the smallest version. Most people try to restart their routine at full strength, but after disruption, your system needs a soft re-entry. So instead of a full workout or a full cleaning session, a full writing session, or a full morning routine, choose the smallest version. 2 minutes, one corner, one page, or one step. Because small doesn't mean weak. Small means doable, and doable is what rebuilds momentum. Step 2, attach it to something you're already doing. Your brain loves anchors, so attach your small action to something that already exists in your day. Maybe after you wake up, after you brush your teeth, after you make coffee, or after you get home, maybe after you sit down, because anchoring turns effort into rhythm. Step 3, remove the emotional weight. This is the part many people overlook. When a routine breaks, shame tries to take over. I should be better. I should be consistent. I should be further along. But shame doesn't rebuild routines. Presence does. So instead of judging yourself, say, I'm returning. That's enough. Because returning is the real discipline. And step 4, celebrate the return, not the result. Your routine doesn't rebuild when you finish the task. It rebuilds when you show up. So celebrate the return, not the workout, and not the clean room, not the finished project. Celebrate the moment you came back. Because every return strengthens your rhythm, and rhythm is what makes routines sustainable. So if you've been struggling to restart, if you've been overwhelmed by the gap, if you've been waiting to feel ready, try the return ritual. Small, anchored, weightless, and celebrated. So that's how you rebuild your routine. Gently, sustainably, and in alignment with your emotional rhythm. So now you take care and stay connected.